Hey everyone, this is Jim, producer of the Around the House Show podcast. If you're listening right now, you already know we bring you the best tips, tricks, and expert advice to fix, upgrade, and maintain everything in your home without the headaches or the huge bills. But if you're catching us on the radio or borrowing a friend's phone, you're missing out on new episodes dropping straight to your device every week. So do yourself a favor, hit pause for just a second, grab your phone, and subscribe to Around the House Show on your favorite podcast player. Whether it's Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube Music, or wherever you listen. It's completely free, and you'll never miss an episode again. Thanks for supporting the show. Now let's get back to making your house work for you. Hold on tight. We have a great Around the House show coming up this weekend. Help us out and subscribe on your favorite podcast player. In the first hour, Eric G. and John Dudley talk about the common mistakes people make when starting those new DIY projects and how to prevent them.
It's electricity. It's not like it can burn the house down or anything.
So here's the funny part, man, and this was awesome. We ran into this so much in the 50s beach house in the original wiring where I don't know if it was not being inspected or if it wasn't code back then, but there were so many times you could tell where they ran out of wire off the spool and just spun it, twisted it together and taped it up and put it right back in the wall. Yeah. This was not a repair. This was factory built in 1952.
What are wire nuts? What are junction boxes? What are you talking about? That's why they made electrical tape.
Yeah,
that's why they call it electrical
tape. But it was like, in its defense, it lasted
held up for
10 years.
Yep.
But still not the optimal of safety.
And actually bring up something that's important. And that's our perspective, right? Because we're always yapping about, these crazy codes are so ridiculous. And there's actually a lot of truth in that.
In the second hour, recorded live from Design and Construction Week 2026, Eric G. sits down with Baldwin Hardware as they discuss the new styles and trends for 2026 and a brand new smart lock that looks amazing and works even better.
It having its own, a little bit of its own energy and a bit of this younger vibe and
absolutely.
And again, evolving for where it needs to be in the market. Conrad was instrumental not only to bringing those designs forward. Again, we got our hand slapped last year, but that product was all over the place last year. And because of all that early efforts, that's why we see it doing as well as it is today. So, yeah, the new age, the new school.
So for the people who weren't listening last year, let's talk about level now of what that is, because I love it. I had the old system in my house. It was great. It was reliable. However, it did give you a larger keypad that was maybe not for everyone.
True.
And for those people that are maybe not even techie, but there's that one person techie in the house, it's that great piece that it looks like a regular deadbolt style lock.
Yeah.
But now you can control it.
All that and more on Saturdays Around the House show with Eric G. We have a huge announcement with our brand new Around the House YouTube channel. Check it out at Around the House HQ, and the link will be down in the podcast player notes. New videos, all in 4K quality, all ready for you to watch and learn from the best people in the industry. If you work in the trades or construction or design business, check out the Around the House Pro Insider podcast. That is back. Just find it on your favorite podcast player. If you want to hear more, listen right here on this podcast player to find out the answers. That's a wrap, folks. Another wild ride of home maintenance mayhem and project starting swagger in the books. Huge thanks to our awesome audience for tuning in. You're the real MVPs, keeping us on air while we dodge rogue ladders and those ancient website crashes. Catch you this Saturday for more laughs, tips, and maybe a few questionable DIY decisions. Until then, keep your hammers swinging and your Wi-Fi strong. See you soon.
Hey, it's Eric G. with Around the House. Are you looking to grow your business? Need a spokesperson for your company? Maybe an MC for an upcoming trade show? Or maybe you want to up your game and shoot some promotional videos? My team of experts would love to chat with you. Head to AroundTheHouseOnline.com and fill out the Contact Us form, and we'll set something up. Thanks for listening to Around the House.